Ever wonder why climate matters? Many confuse climate with weather, yet these terms differ. Weather describes short-term conditions like temperature, humidity, and rain, while climate reveals long-term patterns over decades. Latitude influences sunlight intensity, warming equatorial regions and cooling poles. Altitude brings cooler air, and nearby oceans moderate temperatures. Mountain ranges can block moisture, creating dry areas behind them. Human activities such as urbanization further alter local climates. These factors combine to shape diverse environmental patterns across our planet. By demystifying these concepts, we empower curious minds and challenge common misconceptions. Embrace the journey of understanding Earth's dynamic system. Explore how natural forces and human actions create a delicate balance. Delve deeper into these interactions to reveal the secrets of our living world. And let curiosity guide your learning journey. Keep exploring,